How to find watch later videos on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you find watch later video on YouTube app. So let's get started. First, as you have to open YouTube app on your device. After you open YouTube, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, under the section playlist, tap on fuel, and from your playlist simply tap on watch later. After you tap on that, you'll be able to find every your videos that you have saved to watch later. After you tap on that, you can simply play that video, or you can also remove that. For that, simply tap on three dots. From here you can also choose remove from watch later, and that's it. This is the method to find watch later videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.